I know it seems like a long time ago. We talked about sort of challenging the conventional ideas of what works in a board seat, and hopefully we've kind of dispelled the notion that if you get a certificate and sit there smiling politely, somebody will tap you on the shoulder and offer you a board seat. It needs to be a little bit more proactive than that. But if you do follow these steps, that you can definitely get a board seat. And so for you, it's just a stepping stone on your career path, but you can make a massive difference to small business owners. And if they can serve more people because of you, they can hire more people because of you. That really does make a huge difference. And it's small businesses. I know everyone talks about small businesses being the backbone of the economy, but they really are the backbone of the economy. It's 50% of GDP in developed countries as small businesses. 90% of private sector employment is in small businesses, and it's incredibly tough. So they need you, they need your insights, they need your experience. So whether it's through us or just take the ideas and run with it, really, you can add so much value to companies. So I'd really, really encourage you, if you're kind of sitting on the fence, is just to get on with it and see if you can help. Now, the one thing that we're all faced with is time. And the way I kind of look at the Veblen Director Program is just a shortcut of the process. It's a lot of people kind of have this idea that when they get to the end of their career, they'll sit on a few boards. They don't really know what a board is or how they're going to do that, and it doesn't really work. And by the time you got to the end of your career, it's a little bit too late to be learning. If you start your board career now, you have got so much more time to build, to become good at it, to get great at it, to add real value to it, to learn how to monetize it in all the different ways. And so really anything that you can do, whether it's us or whether it's another program, and if you think that would help you, is just see if you can fast track this process. Just get started. Don't do the procrastination that Penny was doing, but actually just get in there and start making an impact. And you'll make mistakes. There'll be challenges, but it can be so rewarding. And I think the reason why all of our members keep going and keep joining boards and keep helping is that it is incredibly rewarding to do.